Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to share with you another product from Games Workshop or Citadel that should make your hobbying a little bit easier. So let's open it up. This is the Citadel color spray stick. Basically what it does, it will help you to mount your miniatures and get them ready for priming. So that is, if you are priming the Citadel rattle can, or so those sprayer primers. Okay, so basically everybody who is in the hobby for some time knows that we usually have something like this. I made it up from scratch years ago. I just apply a duct tape or Gorilla tape on it and put my miniatures on them and then spray them with the rattle can. What Games Workshop did came out with this nifty little tool here. So they are both sided. So you can sturdy hold in place like a pistol. And basically they will give you a lot of rubber bands. And you can take a miniature here and let's put it rubber band around here. Okay, so this is how it should be. It is there fairly safe. So obviously this is the method if you are priming your miniatures the full assembled way. I usually do not assemble my miniatures together, just because some of the miniatures are really full of details, and if you are glue them together, then you have a problem to get inside with your brush those nooks and crannies, and you will have some blind spots you can't reach. So usually I do myself in a partial sub-assemblies, but if you are priming lots of basic, or should I say standard troop type miniatures, then this is an excellent product. Or even if you have a larger miniature, which this method with the duct tape or double-sided stick tape could potentially fall off. This did happen to me. I did put them on, and at some point it came loose because of the primer and fall off. So this method with the rubber bands is really nice item to have. Price wise, you are looking at $14, 14.5 euros. That is on the direct on the GW site. I am pretty sure you can get them cheaper with discount on a third-party reseller. So yes, so this was the Citadel color spraying stick. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. And this is once again the contents. Again, the board, the handle, and 50 rubber bands. I'm pretty sure you can use just your standard office rubbers. And this is the spread you can use on them. Position the miniatures, also a large diorama type miniatures there. So really nice tool to have. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly gear, knives, and stuff like watches and flashlights oriented, but also hobby stuff, Warhammer and so on, tools, such on. Okay, so have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.